Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making a t-shirt using this exact image. I made this the other day, last week, for my daughter, and it is a canvas zipper bag. I wanted to make this into a t-shirt, this image, put it on a t-shirt, sorry. And I'm going to be using Siser Easy Weed in the colour white. I've already cut this out in advance, so I'm just going to, go through this all again anyway, but that's the vinyl I'm using. And also I'm going to use an old t-shirt of mine, and it's just a black v-neck t-shirt, and I'll be putting the image around here. This is my own personal t-shirt, so that's what I'll be working with today. And so what I'll do next is show you through my computer how I have done all this. Then I'll show you how to cut it out with your silhouette, and then I'll show the heat pressing and weeding process as well. So I'll see you again shortly. So I'll be using the same cat face that I used the other day for my zipper bag. This was at last week's recording, and I think it's really cute that you can actually make it into a t-shirt as well. So what I'm going to do is I've already put up here my cat face file, and I've coloured this in white because I just don't want to confuse myself. I've made sure that this image is, I want it to be 9 inches wide. So I'll just go up to where my measurements are here and put 9.00 and make sure that it goes to that size. I think that will be the perfect size to go across my t-shirt. So what I'm going to do next, and you will see this, is I'm going to cut my vinyl out with my silhouette. So I'll see you again in a few seconds. Hi everyone, so I'm just going to put in my vinyl, and I'll pop this into my machine and make sure it goes in the right way. Now this is the version 1 of the silhouette. There's a silhouette Cameo 4. I may upgrade in the near future, but not right now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to press send from my computer, and we'll just get this started. Just making sure that doesn't come up because that's already not sticking very well, so I'm just going to hold it on. So before I take it out, I'm just going to make sure that I have cut this through, and it looks like I have. Just double check. It certainly looks like I have, so I will take it off, and then I'll get you over to my craft desk. Hey everyone, so I've just finished cutting this out with my silhouette, so I'll take that off. We don't need the matte anymore, and I'm just going to cut around the image. And just cut all around it. And then I'll be using this vinyl next time for other projects. Okay, so I'm just going to weed that all out. So I've just got my weeding tool here. So I'll just go in a corner and just start pulling. This is a cool part. I don't mind the weeding processes at all, as long as it's not too intricate. This has turned out really cute. A lot cuter than I anticipated. This is adorable. So I'm just pulling all of this out. Just have to be careful not to pull out in our little bits like the eyes and the mouth. But I think the Creative Fabrica images are amazing because you can use them on anything. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. And this is with vinyl. The other one was printed on a printer. This is now vinyl. So you can see why I find this sort of crafting a lot more versatile for me. So I'm just going to put my t-shirt on here. And what I'll be doing is I'll be pressing it onto this like that. That will look so ridiculously cute. I love it. So I'll take you now to my heat press and we will start the process of heat pressing this in permanently. So I'll see you again in a minute. So I've got my heat press at 400 degrees Fahrenheit because that is the best temperature, I think, to press cotton. So this is a cotton t-shirt. So what I'm going to do is just put this into my heat press platen here, on my bottom platen, and I'm going to heat this. Just make sure that it's kind of straight. I'm going to press this on for about, I don't know, about 10 seconds or so. So it's nice and heat pressed and the moisture's out. So what I need to do now is reduce the temperature. So I've just pressed that up there. And I'll go down to 307 degrees Fahrenheit. This goes to 305 Fahrenheit. Or actually I'll change that to Celsius 150 degrees. Perfect. And I'll just let it cool down and then I'll come back. My heat press is almost cooling down to 150 degrees Celsius. So what I'm going to do whilst I'm waiting is I'm going to lint roll my t-shirt where the image is going to be. So the temperature has come down now to 150 degrees Celsius now. I work both in Fahrenheit and in Celsius, so you'll be seeing me doing that. So that's all now lint rolled and ready to go. So what I have done off camera is I folded my image here in half. So I go from end to end with the image on the vinyl, not anything else. And I do like a halfway mark on either side. So when it's time for me to place my image on, it'll be in the middle. So I'm just going by, because this is a V-neck, I'm going by that middle of the V. And this is a good spot because the V does go down quite a bit. So I'm just going to line that up. Okay. And I'm going to put my Teflon sheet over the top. And in fact, when I heat press this, I should have put my Teflon sheet. But it doesn't matter. It should be fine. Alright, I always forget that. So this time I didn't forget. I'm going to pop it in there for 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm now taking off that Teflon sheet, and it is a warm peel, so I'll just let that cool off a little. Still a little hot, so I'll just let it cool off for a little bit. Isn't that cute? I love this. Let that cool off a little, and now that comes off beautifully. Oh, that is so cute. So what I'm going to do now is just give it one more press to make sure that it stays on nicely. Another 10 seconds won't hurt it. Oh, it's beautiful. Yep, I love this. I can't wait to wear it today. Okay, so in it goes again with the Teflon sheet on top, and I'll just press it now for another 10 seconds. Why not? Just want to make sure it really sticks in there, which I'm sure it will. That should do it. Did about 5 seconds-ish or so. And it is now done. Yay! So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to the craft desk, and I'll show you there how it looks. See you soon. So I'm back to my craft desk, and I just wanted to show you the t-shirt. Now I've got some painter's tape there because I didn't want labels to be shown, sizes, that sort of thing. So it's not really, you know, that's not what we're here for. So I just wanted to show you the t-shirt itself. So I think it's really cute. I like that it's not overly huge. I like that it's at an angle. I think it's really cute. This is the sweetest thing. I love it. And as I said, when you get images like these from Creative Fabrica and Etsy and other places as well, it is incredibly versatile. I love Creative Fabrica because I can also get a commercial license with these images, which then allows me to sell my creations. So you can go from a makeup bag to a t-shirt, and can I just say that this vinyl is really, really good. It's become like part of the shirt. You can feel there's vinyl there, but I heat pressed it a couple of times to make sure it stays on, and it will be fine. This will last me for a long time. And when you wash these, you have to do them inside out as well. But I think they will be great, no problems at all. Yeah, I absolutely love this t-shirt. I can't wait to wear it. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions at all you'd like me to answer for you, I'm more than happy to accommodate for you. No problems at all. If you want any crafting ideas as well, just let me know. And I just wanted to let you know guys that when you get images from Creative Fabrica, you can do cards, t-shirts, mugs, tumblers, all sorts of things. So that's when I say the sky's the limit, because that was just printed on a printer and this was cut with my cutting machine. So I think it turned out great. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it opened your mind to other crafting things as well that you can do with Creative Fabrica, and you can get, you know, similar files on Etsy and the like. So yeah, open your minds up to different kind of crafts, and I hope you have fun with it too. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.